Good morning. Dr. Bapuji Salunkhe. His motto is ज्ञान विज्ञान आणि सुसंस्कार त्यासाठी शिक्षण प्रसार. श्री स्वामी विवेकानंद शिक्षण संस्थेचे स्वामी रामानंद भारती विद्या मंदिर तासगाव, and our principal is Mr. V.S. Patil sir, and I am P.D. Chavan sir. Today I am going to teach you. Here is the one interesting story. The name of the story is The Boy Who Broke the Bank. The boy who broke the bank means bank बुडवणारा मुलगा. I am giving some information about the author. The name of author is Ruskin Bond. And the details of the writer Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of a British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landur in Mussoorie, India. Now you look here is the Landur. And Ruskin Bond is an Indian author. Indian author, a भारतीय लेखक of a British descent. ब्रिटिश वंशाचे भारतीय लेखक म्हणून ते प्रसिद्ध आहे. Now look here. Here is the picture. And the Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Lehra. He was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan respectively 1999 to 2014. Respectively means anukrame. And in this way, this is the
boy who was working at a bank by sweeping up. The bank manager was way overdue in paying him for the job. Soon, that bank collapsed and rumor had it that it was because of the unpaid boy. Because word got around that the boy didn't get paid, people assumed that the bank had no money. The people who dealt with the bank were worried about their money. This story is basically about how rumors and lack of communication can cause many problems and be destructive.
This is a short summary of this lesson. Now we see here the characteristics.
Characters: Nathu.
Here is the boy, and the boy is a sweeper where in Pimple Nagar Bank. The name of the boy is Nathu. The name of the boy is Nathu. Nathu is a sweeper boy. And now you see there is the Seth Govindram. Then Sitaram. Is the washerman's son. Now you look here, Mrs. Srivastav. Here is the one name of the woman. Then Mrs. Bhushan. He is Srivastav's friend. And here is the Kamal Kishore, photography shop owner. And Dipchand, Dipchand is barber's shop's owner. And next is Baker Ganpat. Baker Ganpat. And here is the gentleman, elderly gentleman, who was cutting his hair in a Dipchand's shop. He tried to call Seth Govindram. Means his role is very important in this story. Nathu grumbled to himself as he swept the steps of the Pimpalnagar bank, owned by the Seth Govindram. Seth Govindram's, there is the, you see here is the bank, Pimpalnagar bank. Nathu is a sweeper. Nathu grumbled. Grumbled means showed one's critical attitude. एखाद्याची टीकात्मक प्रवृत्ती दर्शवणे म्हणजे स्वतःचीच बडबड करणे, स्वतःवरतीच चिडणे. नथु ग्रंबल्ड टू हिमसेल्फ, स्वतःवरतीच काय करत होता, बडबडत होता, चिडत होता. As he swept the steps of the Pimpalnagar bank, as he swept the steps of the Pimpalnagar's bank. पिंपळनगरच्या असणाऱ्या बँकेच्या पायऱ्या झाडत असताना नथू हा स्वतःचीच बडबडत होता. ओन्ड बाय दी सेठ गोविंदराम. दिस इज द बँक and his owner is Seth Govindram. He used to small broom hurriedly and carelessly. After rising his cloud above his head, settled down again on the steps. हातातला लहानसा झाडू निष्काळजीपणाने घाईघाईत पायऱ्यावर फिरवला. त्यामुळे झाडलेली धूळ त्याच्या डोक्यापर्यंत उडून पुन्हा पायऱ्यावरती विसरली. म्हणजे हा नथू जो आहे तो पायऱ्या चढतोय जोर जोरात आणि उडलेली धूळ त्याच पायऱ्यावरती पुन्हा येऊन जमा होते. Nathu was banging his pan against a dustbin. Sitaram, the washerman's son, passed by. Nathu was banging his pan against a dustbin. Dustbin, टोपली, हातातील सुपली. हातातील सुपली तो कचऱ्याच्या डब्यावर आपटत होता. बँगिंग, बँगिंग आपटणे, ठोठवणे. As Nathu banging his pan against a dustbin, Sitara, the second character in the story. The Sitara, the washerman's son, म्हणजे धोब्याचा मुलगा, passed by, तिथून जात होता. सीताराम द वॉशरमॅनचा सन passed by. तेव्हा धोब्याचा मुलगा सीताराम तिथून जात होता. So now you look here. Sitaram was on his delivery round. He had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes balanced on his head. Sitaram was a delivery boy. Delivery boy म्हणजे देणी, पोच करणे, पार्सल पोच करणे, हे सीतारामचं काम होतं. सीताराम was on his delivery round. He had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes. आणि इस्त्री केलेली कपड्याचा बंडल त्याच्या हातामध्ये होता. बॅलन्स्ड ऑन हिज हेड. त्याच्या डोक्यावर नुकत्याच इस्त्री, हेड म्हटलेलं आहे. हेड म्हणजे डोक्यावर, हातात घेतले, पण आपण समजून घ्या की हे डोक्यावरती कपड्यांचं गाठोड होत आणि तो पोच करण्यासाठी तिथं निघून जात होता किंवा जात होता. Look here, this is a picture of the Sitaram. Then, don't raise such a dust, he called out Nathu. because they are still refusing to pay even an extra 2 rupees a month. Sitaram said to Nathu, don't do this work in this way. Don't work in this way. अशी तू करू नकोस, असं काम तू करू नकोस, असं सीताराम नथूला म्हणाला. Because they are still refusing to pay you can extra 2 rupees a month. महिन्याला 2 रुपये जास्त द्यायला ते अजून नकार देत आहेत, म्हणून एवढा वैतागलायस काय? In this way, Sitaram said to Nathu. Then you see here is the Nathu and Nathu and Sitaram. Then I haven't even received my regular pay, and this is the 20th of month. A reply of this Sitaram's thought. Nathu said that I haven't even received my regular pay. अरे अजून मला नियमित पगार मिळाला नाही. And this is the 20th of month. आणि महिन्याची 20 तारीख आली तरी सुद्धा मला पगार मिळालेला नाही. Who would think a bank would hold up a poor man's salary? As soon as I get my money, I am off. Who would think? अरे असं कोण थकवेल का एखाद्या गरीब माणसाचा पगार? असं सीताराम म्हणाला, असं नथू म्हणाला. As soon as म्हणजे ग्रामरचं आहे. As soon as मी क्रिया करते न करते तो दुसरी क्रिया करणे. As soon as I get my money, I am off. जर जसा मला पगार मिळेल, मला पैसे मिळतील तसं मी हे काम बंद करणार आहे, असं नथू आपल्या मित्राला किंवा सीतारामला म्हणाला. No other week I work in this place. And Nathu banged the pan against the dustbins several times. No other week. एकही आठवडा थांबणार नाही. I work in this place. In this place means in पिंपळनगरचं bang. And Nathu banged ठोठवणे. And Nathu banged the pan against the dustbin several times. आणि त्याच्यावरती आपली ती टोपली कचऱ्याच्या डब्यावरती आपटतच राहिला. After that, well, I wish you luck, said Sitaram. Sitaram said to the Nathu, ठीक आहे, I wish you luck. माझ्या तुला शुभेच्छा. I'll keep a lookout for any jobs that might suit you. And he giving a promise to Nathu, he is searching other work, suitable work for Nathu. In this way, the Sitaram said to Nathu, and he went on. And he plodded barefoot along the road, the big bundle of clothes hiding most of his head and shoulder. त्यानं तो गट्टा आपल्या डोक्यावरती ठेवला आणि झटझट तिथून तो निघून गेला. सीताराम तिथून निघून गेलेला. At the fourth room he visited, Sitaram heard the lady of the house mention that she was in need of a sweeper. Tying his bundle together, he said, here is Mrs. Srivastav, and she is in need. Here is the one boy, sweeper boy. Tying to his bundle together, he said, Sitaram said to Mrs. Srivastava, I know of a sweeper boy who is looking for work. He can start from the next month. He can start from the next month. He is with the bank just now, but they aren't giving him his pay and he wants to leave. सीताराम मिसेस श्रीवास्तवनं म्हणाला की माझा एक मित्र आहे, तो बँकेमध्ये झाडूचं काम करतो आहे, परंतु अजून त्याला बँकेनं पगार दिलेला नाही, म्हणून तो दुसरं काम शोधायला लागलेला आहे. आणि he is with the bank just now, but they aren't giving him his pay. He want to leave. आणि तो ते काम सोडण्याचा प्रयत्न आहे, असा सीताराम मिसेस श्रीवास्तव यांना म्हणाला. Is that so? said Miss Srivastava. Will tell him to come and see me tomorrow. Is that so? असंच का? मिसेस श्रीवास्तव म्हणाले. वेळ ठीक आहे, टेल हिम टू कम अँड सी मी टुमॉरो. उद्या ये आणि मला भेट, अशा पद्धतीचा मेसेज मिसेस श्रीवास्तव यांनी सीताराम याला दिलेला आहे. Now look after that. And Sitaram, glad that he had been to service of both a customer and his friend, hoisted his bag on his shoulder and went his way. सीतारामनं आपण एका गिरायकालाही मदत केली आणि आपल्या मित्रालाही मदत केली, म्हणून दोघांनाही मदत करता आली. मग खुश होऊन सीताराम होस्टेड हिज बॅग, गाठोड आपल्या खांद्यावरती घेतलं, उचललं आणि निघून गेला. आफ्टर दॅट Mrs. Srivastava had to come some shopping. She gave instruction to Anna about looking. Mrs. Srivastava had to do shopping. बाजारला जाणार होत्या. And she gave some instruction to the Anna, म्हणजे बाळाला सांभाळा असणाऱ्या याला तिने सूचना दिली. Then she set out for the Pimpalnagar marketplace to make her customary to our the clothes shop. रूढीबद्ध, usual, habitual, सामान्य, नेहमीचे काम करण्यासाठी सांगितलं आणि ते पिंपळनगरच्या बाजारात मार्केटसाठी, शॉपिंगसाठी निघून गेल्या. Then here you see here a large shade, a large shady tamarind tree grew at the one end of the bazaar, and it was here that Mrs. Srivastava found her friend Mrs. Bhushan slattering for the heat. बाजारामध्ये जात असताना एका असणाऱ्या टॅमरिड वृक्षाच्या खाली त्यांना त्यांच्या मैत्रिणी मिसेस भूषण सावलीला थांबल्याचे निदर्शनास आले आणि त्या तिच्याकडे गेलेल्या आहेत आणि दोघींमध्ये संभाषण चालू आहे. मिसेस भूषण वॉज फॅनिंग हरसेल्फ विथ अ लार्ज हँकरचीफ. तेथे मिसेस भूषण वॉज फॅनिंग, वारा घाल, हरसेल्फ स्वतःला, विथ अ लार्ज हँकरचीफ, असणाऱ्या आपल्या हात रुमालाने मिसेस भूषण स्वतःला वारा घालायचे काम करत She complained of the summer which she apprehended with definitely the hottest in the story of पिंपळनगर. त्या अशा तक्रार करत होते की पिंपळनगर मधील असणाऱ्या इतिहासामध्ये हा खरोखरच सर्वात जास्त स्वरूपाचा उन्हाळा आहे. अशा पद्धतीने त्या वैतागून बोलत होत्या. She then showed Mrs. Srivastava a sample of clothes she was going to buy. मिसेस श्रीवास्तव यांनी आपल्या मैत्रिणीला कपड्याचा तुकडा किंवा नमुन्यासाठी घेतलेला कपड्याचा तुकडा दाखवला आणि इकडचं तिकडचं बोलण्याचं काम त्या करत होत्या. And for 5 minutes they discussed its shade, texture and design. शेड म्हणजे त्याची रंग, टेक्स्चर म्हणजे त्याचं सूत and डिझाईन म्हणजे नक्षी. याच्याबद्दलची असणारी 5 मिनिटाची दोघीचं संभाषण झालं. कुणाकुणाचं? मिस्टर भूषण अँड मिसेस श्रीवास्तव. Having exhausted the topics, Mrs. Srivastava said, in this way all discussions. After that, Mrs. Srivastava said to Mrs. Bhushan, what said? Do you know, my dear, the said Govindram's bank can't even pay its employees. Here is the main question, main discussion. Mrs. Srivastava and Mrs. Bhushan about the bank, Pimpalnagar's bank, and he is the owner. Owner is the Seth Govindram. And Mrs. Srivastava said to the Mrs. Bhushan, do you know, my dear, तुला माहिती आहे का ग, that Seth Govindram's bank can't even pay its employees. सेठ गोविंदरामची असणारी बँक आपल्या असणाऱ्या कर्मचाऱ्यांना पगार देऊ शकत नाही किंवा देऊ शकली नाही. या पद्धतीचं दोघींमध्ये संभाषण चालू होतं. Only this morning I heard a complaint for their sweeper who hasn't received his wages for over a month. Only this morning, Mrs. Srivastava said to Mr. Bhushan, I heard, त्या म्हणाले मी ऐकलं, complaint from their sweeper, त्यांच्या झाडूवाल्याचा जो कर्मचारी आहे, या कर्मचाऱ्यांचा पगार अजून त्या बँकेनं दिलेला नाही, अशा पद्धतीची तक्रार मी ऐकली. Shocking, remarked Mrs. Bhushan, if they can't pay the sweeper. आता एक घटना धक्कादायक आहे. मिसेस भूषणने धक्का आश्चर्य व्यक्त केलं आणि म्हणाल्या, they must be in a bad way, none of others could be getting paid either. मिसेस भूषण म्हणाले, अरे बाप रे, कामगारांचा पगार बँक देत नाही तर बँकेकडे पैसे नाही आणि बँक हे डब घायला आले असे समजायला पाहिजे. Who was sitting in front of Kamal Kishore's photography shop talking with the owner. After that, Mrs. Bhushan, in searching of his husband, who was sitting in front of the Kamal Kishore's photography shop talking with the owner. Here is the Kamal Kishore's shop and he is her husband, Mrs. Bhushan's husband, and talking with the owner. त्यांच्या शोधात त्या ठिकाणी आल्या आणि so there you are, cried Mrs. Bhushan. I have been looking for you for almost an hour. अरे तुम्ही येत आहात, मी तुम्हाला तासभर शोधते आहे. Where did you disappear? Disappear म्हणजे दिसेनासे होणे. कुठे गेला होता, दिसेना झालेला होता. अशा पद्धतीने मिसेस भूषण आपल्या असणाऱ्या पतीला म्हणतात. नाऊ वेअर रिप्लाइड मिस्टर भूषण, हॅड यू रिमेन्ड स्टेशनरी इन दी वन शॉप. स्टेशनरी म्हणजे उच्च, स्टेबल, नॉट मुव्हिंग, स्थिर न हलणारे. त्या ठिकाणी मी बसलेलो आहे अशा पद्धतीने त्याचे मिस्टर म्हणाले. I might have found you, but you go from one shop to another like a bee in the flower garden. I might have found you, but you go from one shop to the another shop like a bee in a flower garden. मी तुला शोधू शकलो पण तू फुलपात्र सारखे एका दुकानात दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी सारखे जात असतो. कुठे शोधायचं तुला, या पद्धतीचं उत्तर त्यांनी दिलंय. आणि पुढे डोंट स्टार्ट गॅबलिंग.